You know, there seems to be a growing trend on YouTube, and it's to do these weird food-related tests of firearms, and it's usually a Glock. It's usually, you know, a Glock and jelly, a Glock and jam, a Glock and marshmallows, whatever, you know, just all kinds of different substances. I started to feel like I'm a little left out because I haven't been doing these videos. I mean, there's channels dedicated entirely to these videos, and people seem to love them. So I'm like, well, never let it be said I don't jump on the bandwagon. So I thought, you know, I've got to do one of these videos. So I thought, well, what better video for me to do now than to do a video with my Glock and peanut butter. Eat the peanut butter. Eat the peanut butter. Eat the goddamn peanut butter. I said eat this guy. Ow! Mother. Ow. Well, there you have it. The results seem to be pretty conclusive. Glocks don't like peanut butter. Yeah, I'm gonna get so fat filming this video.